at its meeting today, received a notice of resignation from deputies who are elected members of the National Executive Committee. A meeting of the National Working Committee and the deputies immediately took place to dialogue on issues that were raised. The party will look into the grievances raised by members of NEC as well as members of the National Working Committee. The internal conflict resolution mechanism of our party has also been immediately activated to put these issues behind us. We call on all the leaders, stakeholders, and members of our great party to remain calm as we collectively resolve these issues. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Can we ask questions?
That the conflict resolution mechanism of our party has already been activated. So let us wait for the outcome of these resolutions.
Yes, sir. Was Udoko at that meeting today?
Mr. Oji of the Sun newspaper,
Yes, sir.
I just told you now that the conflict resolution mechanism of our party has already been activated. So let's leave it at that.
Mr. Uche said, he said the only way to solve the problem is for the national chairman of the party to resign from his position. What is the position of the party with regards to those calling for the registration of the national chairman? Obviously, they have exhausted all the available mechanisms.
Youth leader. You are not in a place to tell us in the People's Democratic Party that the conflict resolution mechanism of our own party has been exhausted. I do not agree with you. I am aware that this has been immediately activated.
For the purpose of clarity, sir, how many NWC members are there in the party?
The National Working Committee members,
Yes.
I think we're about 20. There should be about 20 or 21. Is that all? I don't know what you need the figures for, but look at the if you look at the if you want to be clear, perhaps I didn't get it right. Look at I think chapter 19 of the Constitution. You will see the list of the members of the National Working Committee. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So you are speaking on behalf of the party, not on behalf of the active members of the
There are no.
The specific allegations against the national chairman is that he is incompetent and that instead of moving the party forward,
Trying to
he is
enrich himself.
more concerned about enriching himself. Those are the issues against him.
Okay, I believe that the National Publicity Secretary has spoken much to you about the party position. My stand here is on as it concerns the national chairman. Before that, I want to correct something. Those who resign are not members of NWC. They are members of NEC, but not members of NWC. But regarding the press conference of the youth leader, who is realizing after 3.5 years that Secondus is incompetent, that Secondus is enriching himself. It took him 3.5 years and about 4 or 5 months to convention. It's very unfortunate because he had operated as the youth leader of this party since December 2017 with Prince Secondus as national chairman, and I worked with him. But suddenly, few months to convention, after the game of this morning, in certain areas of Abuja, he suddenly discovers that Secondus is incompetent. He suddenly discovered that Secondus is enriching himself. It's very unfortunate. But what I want to assure members of the party is that the structure of the party is intact. And Prince Secondus is national chairman. And anybody who resigns will be filled the next day. And this party will walk to victory in 2023. There's no going back about it. And all those who are looking for interim government to run the affairs of this party, few months to the general election, are taking us back to Egypt. and nobody's ready to go back to Egypt. We passed through this road before, and we don't want to go back there. Thank you.
Aside the youth leader, so many persons, like some members of the National Assembly, called for the resignation of the party national chairman. Even some governors have mooted their idea. Some even alleged that some financial misconduct with regards to the leadership of Secondus. In all this, is the national chairman contemplating to step aside for the unity of this party?
It's wrong for you to say some members or many, give impression that some governors. What is happening in the party is a Lone Ranger issue, and we don't want to go into it. This party is intact. 16 governors. And Secondus is commanding the support of majority of the party. Immediately, Secondus is no longer commanding the support of credible leaders of this party. It's not a do or die. But now he's commanding the support of majority of members of this party at all levels. When the stakeholders of this party speak today, look, this party is more than one person. This party is not about money. This party is about people who fought for democracy and decide to move ahead with it. It's not about people waking up one day and say, with their money, they can get whatever they want. No, we can't get back there. This party will not be controlled by money. It will not be controlled by individuals. This party will be controlled by policies and ideas. And anybody who has pure idea against Secondus, bring it to the public domain and let the public see it. The people who told you that Secondus is enriching himself did not tell you how. The person who told you that he's incompetent did not tell you how. The person who told you that he is not helping the party is aware that Secondus took over this party with 11 states in control. But today there are 16. So we are all, whenever the party is going towards election, towards convention, this is what you get. Funny jostling, politics and all that. But at the end of the day, the PDP that I know will always settle for reasonable ideas, not for mercantile issues. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.